Hey y'all, this week I'm bringing you a new episode. It's What's for Dinner. I'm going to try to start posting every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure you're subscribed to be able to watch the rest of my videos that get uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to go ahead and throw that in there real quick. Tonight we are making a creamy chicken and rice casserole. It is so easy. I know you guys are gonna love it, so let's get to it. Okay y'all, so my audio got messed up, so I'm winding up doing a voiceover, but you're gonna use 1 rotisserie chicken, a sleeve of Ritz crackers, 8-ounce sour cream, the whole can of the big cream of chicken, 2 cups chicken broth, and 2 packs of ready rice. And we're gonna get all that started, and a little butter also. Okay, so right here I had already shredded my rotisserie chicken, laid it on in the pan, and I threw those in the microwave. So we're going to mix all of that together. And then we're adding our 2 cups of the chicken broth. One 8-ounce sour cream. You're going to use the whole thing of this. And the whole can of cream of chicken. You can use 2 smaller cans, but the whole one works perfect. Alright, and then we're just mixing all of that together. Normally I put it in a bowl to mix, but I didn't feel like dirtying up something else, so I just threw it all in here. Okay, now here I just crushed up that pack of crackers, and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the top of the dish. Alright, so I just crushed those Ritz crackers, and I did spray butter. You can melt butter on there too, but that was a little faster. And now we are going to put this in the oven, and it's going to bake for about 30 minutes. Alright y'all, it is done. It looks so good. We about to eat. Are you sad you can't have any? Are you sad? It's really good though. Alright y'all, it is the next night for What's for Dinner, and tonight we are making Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, green beans, and crack biscuits. I've got to do the crack biscuits first because they need to sit in the fridge and chill for a minute. Well, for 10 minutes. Now the crack biscuits, they are a keto recipe, so they're very low carb. You do them with almond flour instead of normal flour. I've been trying to cut out some of my gluten intake, so we're gonna try those. They look amazing online. I found them on Pinterest. Okay, so right here I had melted 4 ounces of cream cheese with 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and you want to mix it till you get a smooth consistency after you have microwaved it. So you want to microwave it until it's really smooth. Okay, now so for this, you want to add in 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 eggs, 1 pack of ranch dressing mix, and 1.5 cups of almond flour, and you're going to mix all of that till it forms a dough consistency. I had to use my hands because it gets really doughy. Okay, so now you want to add 1 cup of shredded cheese and then a bag of bacon bits. Ball them up, stick them in a skillet, and you're going to sit them in the fridge for 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're getting into the Salisbury steak recipe. You use 1 pound of ground beef, 2 eggs, 1 cup of potato chips smashed, 2 teaspoons dry mustard, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then you'll use butter and olive oil in your skillet. Okay, now we're going to mix all of this with our hands. I had exactly 1 cup of crushed chips in that bag, which is awesome. So here we go. Okay, so now those biscuits were done sitting in the fridge. We turn the oven on 400 and they're going to bake for 20 minutes. While those are going, I got some mushrooms that need to be cooked that I'm going to add to the gravy. And we're going to cut up onion. I do not like onion, and I tried to get Dobie to come in here and cut it up. But he claims that he doesn't know how to cut up an onion. So, we'll see how this goes. Y'all, how good do these biscuits look? Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. They look awesome. We got the green beans going, mashed potatoes in the microwave, and we're about to start on the sauce for this. So you're going to do 2 cups beef broth, and you're going to add in a tablespoon of the cornstarch to that. Mix that together, and then we'll add it to our pan. Okay, so once you added the Worcestershire in, you put your patties back into there, and voila, does this not look so stinking good? Ugh. Y'all, I just had to hop on here real quick. Dinner was so good. Those biscuits were, you couldn't even tell that they were made with like almond flour and cheese. They tasted like a normal regular biscuit. The Salisbury steak was wonderful. I don't know what the potato chips did besides give a little crunch to the inside, but it was great. That gravy was amazing. Everything turned out so good, and I highly recommend it. What are you making? What's it called?
Pastelaya.
And where'd you find it? Off of
TikTok.
Found it off of TikTok.
Oh, stale crackers.
Oh gosh.
Bye, dude.
Alright, well, we're gonna see how good it is.
We'll find out. Alright, we're gonna do a little pasta. First step, got the pan heating up, got a little butter in there. Got bell pepper, onion, minced garlic, and cut chicken breast. Just gonna dump all this in there. Brown it up. That's step 1. Taste later, but as you start, just adding in a little flavor. Going with a little Tony Chachere.
You're a goober. Yep.
Alright, as your onions sweat down, add that rotel. Everything sweated down, cream cheese, the Velveeta's mixed in. We're gonna add a little sausage to it. Damn, shit's flying everywhere. Stir that in. And you're about ready to eat. You're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth. Not a ton, just a little bit. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can pre-cook your noodles, or you can add your noodles in. We pre-cooked ours. So you just want to take your noodles and put this on top. Ooh-wee. That's money, dude.
Alright y'all, I'm standing in front of the Christmas tree for some light because it's kind of dark in here, but that is it for this What's for Dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The pasta was really good. I think there's some things that we could still tweak with it, but overall, he did a really good job. Y'all can tell that he is a mess with some of the stuff that he was saying, and he got some of it from that guy on TikTok. Let me know if you figure out who he is, if any of y'all know. But when we were over at his brother's in his shop, but I just put that over gluten-free noodles, which was really good. You couldn't even tell that they weren't normal noodles. It was actually really good. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram too. I love posting on there. And just make sure you give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I cannot wait to make more for you guys. So see you later. Bye.